The Samsung Galaxy Tab S3 runs Android 7.0 Nougat with the latest version of Samsung Experience software overlay, making it simple and easy to navigate through all the apps and settings. Don't be afraid of Samsung's software, formerly known as TouchWiz. It gets a bad name, but the company has fine-tuned the look and feel of its software in the last 2 years. It no longer feels overbearing, as it did when the Galaxy S4 and Galaxy S5 launched. And yet it has more features than ever. What's new are the refined logistics from the Galaxy S7 and S7 Edge. Samsung's quick settings row is no longer cumbersome, and Google's latest update groups similar notifications together. The settings menu is searchable, and to make things less confusing, at the bottom of each of its sub-menus are suggestions of closely aligned settings. In the Notifications settings menu, for example, it has a shortcut, looking for Do Not Disturb. Turns out, it's in the Sound and Vibration submenu. Taking a page from the Note 7, there's a special secure folder to partition off apps, photos and videos. Flipboard also returns, and the leftmost menu for easy scrolling through the day's news. Samsung Flow makes its Android tablet debut and help transition to and from your smartphone. It allows you to wirelessly share files, sort through notifications and take calls on the tablet, and look like a fool doing it. Cross-linking between a phone and this tablet makes things like receiving phone's hello SMS text messages less of a pain if you're already holding a tablet. Android 7.0 Nougat debuted split-screen multitasking, but Samsung already had this feature in the Tab S2. Old news. In that time, however, more apps have begun to support multitasking on the Android operating system. So Google's push for split screen in other devices is useful. Multitasking is still the biggest weakness of an Android tablet, and even an iPad Pro. There's no true dock for easy switching between apps, and the recent menu is just too slow to truly cycle back and forth between apps. What do I have open again? Until 2-inch OneUS merge mobile and computer operating systems, we're left with ham-handed multitasking.